to install them, and sort of they're optional, but depends on what you want to see. Once you have this installed, you want to create a virtual device, and this again is very simple. It just sort of is a few clicks and your basic emulator is ready. So you just go to Eclipse, select. Oh, I think sort of this session is quite popular. We already reached the limit. I'll just remove this and then get back to the presentation. Now the virtual device basically from again is managed through this Android SDK and AVD manager. You select the virtual devices there. So basically, I'll just give me a second. This is what an AVD screenshot looks like, and I can just also launch the AVD manager, and basically here are the installed packages, the available packages, and these are the virtual devices that sort of I've defined. So this is the one that I am currently using, and I've just sort of used the general settings. There are certain other capabilities and everything which is available, which can be configured. So resolution, certain properties around the hardware that can be set and experimented with, but sort of I will not go into those details right now. The AVD sort of can then be launched, and sorry about that. Basically sort of the AVD is the emulator, and these are the apps that are already installed. There are a couple of apps which I'll sort of just show to you while when we move along. I'll just sort of should do the trick. Okay. So basically, getting so the snapshot for installation, basically there are 5 steps to it before we get to our hello world, which is basically you need to have your Eclipse, you need to put in your SDK starter kit, then install the plugin for Eclipse, use the SDK starter kit to get the latest platform and SDK, create a virtual device, and that's it. Sort of we are ready to get into our sort of first app or creating our first Hello World application. Okay, now basically